In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Crunchyroll gift card. If you want to give someone ad-free anime streaming time without hassle, a digital gift card is a great choice. The entire process happens online through the official Crunchyroll store, and it only takes a few minutes. First, open your web browser and head to the Crunchyroll store. Sticking with the official site helps you avoid unreliable third-party resellers and ensures the code will work as expected. Once you're on the store homepage, look for the section labeled Membership Gift Cards. That's where Crunchyroll lists its prepaid subscription options. On the gift card page, choose the subscription length that fits your budget and the occasion. 1 month for a quick surprise, 3 months for a season's worth of shows, or 12 months for a full year. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right duration and make sure the region and currency shown match where the recipient will use the gift, as availability can depend on location. When you're ready, click Add to Cart. Before moving on, review your cart to confirm the quantity and plan are correct, then continue to checkout. At checkout, you'll enter your payment details. Crunchyroll accepts major cards and PayPal, so choose whichever you prefer. Enter the information carefully and verify the billing details match your payment method to avoid declines. Only fill out fields on the official checkout page and never share payment information in messages or screenshots. After everything looks good, complete the purchase. You should see an on-screen confirmation, and shortly after, you'll receive an email from Crunchyroll containing the digital gift code. If it doesn't arrive within a few minutes, give it a little time and check your spam or promotions folder. Keep that email handy. The code is essentially the value of the gift, so treat it like cash and don't post it publicly. To share the gift, simply send the code to the recipient. You can forward the confirmation email or copy the code into a personal message. Consider adding a note that explains what the code is for and how long it covers, so they know exactly what they're getting. Remind them to keep the code private until they redeem it, and that's it. You've bought a Crunchyroll gift card from the official store, completed the purchase, received the code by email, and shared it with the lucky recipient. After purchase, the gift code is emailed and can be shared with anyone. Enjoy gifting and happy streaming.